Recording a video in Camtasia and publishing it to YouTube. To record in Camtasia, just click the red record button in the upper left-hand corner of the interface. You'll be presented with a recording app. Just make sure that the system can hear you. Watch for the audio indications right here and with this green bar. You don't want that green bar to turn red when you're speaking normally, so you may need to adjust your microphone sensitivity to prevent that. But you do want it running about into the yellow most of the time, so that's about right. Also, of course, make sure that audio is turned on. You can also record your webcam if you wish. I recommend that you record full screen. Just click that option right there. You'll be able to see the green dashed lines all around the screen to ensure that that's what you're going to record. And when you're ready, just click record. You'll be counted down. In this video, we're going to show you how to log into Canvas. You'll access Canvas at sdccd.instructure.com. You'll enter your 10-digit PeopleSoft user ID and your password, which will be set initially to your 8-digit birth date. Month, month, day, day, year, 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 year. My user ID is different. Then just click Login. You'll be dropped into the dashboard where all of your current courses will show up as colored tiles. Just click onto the tile of the desired course to enter it. Once we're done recording, we just click Stop. Camtasia then will load the video into its editor interface. You can edit at this point, but most of the time it's not necessary. So we're going to go right to sharing the video. We'll do that by clicking the green Share button in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. And we're going to share this to YouTube. If you are not currently logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do that at this point. I'm logged into mine most of the time, so it didn't prompt me for that, but instead brought up immediately the upload screen for uploading from Camtasia to YouTube. First thing we have to do is change the title. Then we have to put in at least a brief description. And at least one tag. If you want more, you can add a comma and type another tag. And you can keep doing that. You can select a category and then choose your privacy option on YouTube. Public videos can be viewed by anyone and be searched for. Unlisted videos can be accessed by anyone that has the share URL for the video, but not searched for. I would not use private. That requires that the viewer be logged into Google and have a Google account and be logged into it. You can always provide the share URL for the video to your students. Once all that's filled out, you just click Finish. Camtasia will now render the video. taking the very large uncompressed video, compressing it, and then uploading it to YouTube. Now perform the upload, and once it uploads to YouTube, you'll get a web browser window popping up that has your video in it. Initially, the video will not be available. YouTube takes a little bit of time. Also, you may be, if you, it looks like I was not fully logged in, so I'll just need to log back in. My Google account, and now I can access the video on YouTube. It's still being processed, but if we wait just a second, it should be available. There it is. And there's your Camtasia. In this video, it will show you how to upload to Canvas. You'll access Canvas. In order to share this with your students, you'll need the share URL for this video. Just click share here, just below and to the right of the video window. Here is your YouTube share URL. You just need to copy that to your clipboard. You can do that just by clicking copy here. And now you can paste that URL into an email, paste it into a web link in Canvas, or provide it in any other number of other ways to your students. And that's all there is to recording a video in Canvas and uploading it to YouTube.